What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome outdoor garden patio bench. You know, it came out so nice, you could probably use it inside in your entryway as well. It's got nice little details in the legs. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so all you're going to need for supplies is a one 2x12 and one 2x6 for the support. Now I'm just using some scrap 2x12 from an old wooden workbench I tore out. And I'm going to go ahead and make my legs 19 inches tall so that the whole bench will be about 20 or so inches tall. Alright, so now what we've got left on that 8-foot 2x12 is about 58 inches. And I'm going to put the legs in around about 3 inches. Go ahead and mark 3 inches in because I want the legs to be like that. Go ahead and mark that. Okay, now this step is optional. You could just screw them in like this, but I'm going to inlay them 1/2 inch. I'm going to take a 1/2 inch depth off of this. The width of this, the leg, 1.5 inch. That's good. So now we're going to adjust our skill saw depth to just a 1/2 inch. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to make a cut on each one of these lines we drew, and then a series of cuts all along here. Alright, so you're going to make about 6 or 7 of these cuts. Then we're going to take our claw hammer or chisel. Now we can just chip away the wood. There we go. Alright, so it should look like this. So now you can test fit your leg to see if it'll fit in there, groove. See, now you can see it's notched in there. That'll make it a lot stronger. Alright, now go ahead and do it to the other side. Okay, now we're going to cut out a basic little design in the bottom of the legs. Alright, so we're going to do this by, we're going to come up 8 inches from the bottom of where our leg is. Then we're going to come in 3 inches on each side. Then we're going to connect those to the top in the middle. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to take our skill saw and we're going to cut up to here, but not all the way up to there. We're going to finish the cut with a handsaw. Finish it off. Go ahead and save these extra pieces you cut out and you can enjoy some nice wooden pizza. So good. Can you tell I'm hungry? Alright, now we're going to glue and screw it together. I recommend pre-drilling all your holes. And also using these Torx head screws. They really make assembly a lot easier and won't, you know, strip. So go ahead and put a little glue on that leg joint. Go ahead and make sure the leg's square before we screw it in. We just need to put this side support brace in like that. Before we cut it, go ahead and check to see if it's square, and if it isn't, that's okay, because like this one, it needs to be pulled out about 1/8 inch. So then I'll just make the support about 1/8 inch longer than the hole. Alright, I got the support all in there. Now we'll go ahead and screw it all in. Alright, there we go. Then we'll just screw in about 3 screws across the top to support that brace in the middle. There we go. Alright, so now this is how it's basically going to look. Now I recommend if you're going to be using it outside, go ahead and put a nice exterior wood sealant or a couple nice coats of latex paint on it. I'm going to paint it, but I won't bore you with that. So abracadabra. There it is. I really like how it turned out. Man, it's so nice. I think I might even use this inside if I wanted to. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button down there. Subscribe to my channel, it's free, I'd really appreciate it. Check out all my other DIY videos, I do them all the time. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.